how to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch Trust Wallet, and then just make sure to sign into your account. Now, right when you sign in, you'll find the buy option right from the home page. So just tap on the buy option here. Now, depending upon which crypto you want to buy, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, I will select Bitcoin. Now, I just want to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin I want to buy. If I want to buy, let's say Bitcoin for $100 US, you can see I'm going to get 0.002229 BTC. Now, I can choose to pay with credit card or all of the other options that are available over here. You can see all the provider, Google Pay, and so on. And then I can just tap on the buy option to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. This way you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.